Well, we've got all the bits for the YXZ that I took off that we've managed to save. Reassembled the hubs, rebuilt the drive shafts. They're there. Diff's been rebuilt. All the threads have been helicoiled. I've painted the diff. And the drive shaft sat in the corner there. I'll run down the side of the garage. All the arms have been cleaned. And there's the hole that the diff and the drive shaft are eventually going to go back into. So I'm just waiting for bits now. I can't do any more until my bits turn up from Rocky Mountain. So that's where I'm up to. There's the broken coupler with all the stripped splines. All the stripped splines on the drive shaft. So what I'm going to do eventually is convert it to CV joint using that coupler and modifying that drive shaft, but that's for the future. But for now, like I say, when all the bits turn up from Rocky Mountain, all these nice clean bits can go back onto her. Just gotta wait.